Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with hair 70–80% dry because too wet stretches curls, too dry resists shaping. Detangle and divide into 1:1. 5 cm sections, clip away large sections so you focus. Once done, take the curler to the nape, place the loop at the root, and wrap hair smoothly to the tip. Tension matters. Make sure the strand is evenly distributed in the fabric tube so heat and pressure form a consistent curl as it sleeps. You continue by securing each wrapped strand carefully. Rotate the curler gently to maintain even tension, and do not twist the hair inside the tube because that creates kinks. Once done, fasten with soft clips or fabric ties every 3 to 4 inches so the roll stays put through the night. Make sure spacing between rolls is even across your head. Uneven distribution causes flat spots. If you have shorter layers, use smaller sections and tighter wraps for consistent curl size. You finish by sleeping gently on a silk pillowcase to reduce friction. Avoid rolling onto the curler so it stays intact. In the morning, unwrap carefully, finger comb to separate curls, and apply a few drops of light oil or a 1/4 spritz of holding spray to set the shape. If curls look frizzy or too loose, make sure they weren't over damp. Then rewrap the affected sections and leave them for 30 to 60 minutes. This quick rewrap fixes shape without heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.